So application of the Wrist Restore, if you have a lunotriquetral or LT problem or mid-carpal instability, is going to benefit from a pieziform boost, where we're pushing the piezotriquetral interval in a dorsal position. If you have an LT issue, that's going to bring the lunate and triquetrum closer together. If you have a mid-carpal instability, the whole proximal row is resting in flexion, and by boosting the pieziform, you're bringing that whole proximal row into a neutral position. So when we place this, we're going to slide it on. Here we have two bumpers. We have one that's going to go over the pieziform, one over the scaphoid tubercle. In this position, we want to boost here the pieziform dorsally. So this is the one we're going to place the most tension on. So we're going to apply that first, then apply with a little less tension the radial wrist strap. Then the proximal two straps are just designed so that we don't have any distal or proximal migration of the Wrist Restore. So then we're going to place ulnar and radial. And it's a great idea once you have this in place to test, to have them test their grip without, or if it's a problem with weight bearing, to test it without and then test it once the Wrist Restore is on. And it's a great thing to see the improvement, because sometimes you can get 5 to 10 pounds of improved strength with less symptoms.